Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is specially on request of Mr. Manoj who has requested me to make this video on my channel for knowing how to make printouts in eOffice. Now, first of all, I would like to request you all that since it is eOffice and we are working virtually, first of all, it is requested that please do not take printouts from eOffice. If you have to take the printouts, then there is no point of working in eOffice. But I would also suggest, but I know that at times when you have to, take approvals financially, or you have to take the printout of notes for the financial improvements, for payments, there you need printouts where hard copy is required. So for that, it's a very, very simple method to take printouts. I'll let you know. Let's move and so let's see how it does. We'll go to file management system. We'll go to any file. Yes, I'll select one file. Say for example, this is my test file where I always work upon. So this is my file. I'll go to the inbox and I can see there are some previous notings, etc. I'll just click on previous noting. These are some previous notings and I want to take the printout of these notings. Okay. So what I'll do, I will go to this tab. Just a second, I'll go back to the file first. Inbox. I'll move out of this green note. Yeah, this is my file, test non-executive file. I will go to discard green note. Yes, okay, discard. Okay, this you can see this icon here. When I put on this, it will say green generate view PDF. Now this is going to generate a PDF of my file. Once I click on it, it will ask me options, right? It will ask you want to generate the complete file. Complete file means green note plus the correspondence, the table of correspondence which we have added in the right side. Or do you want to take a printout of the notings? Do you want to take the printout of correspondences which we have sent, only the correspondence which are right side, or if there is draft for approval, you want to take a printout of that. So it will ask me. So for example, I take the notings part, and this is a very good feature in eOffice wherein it is mandatory to write a reason here for printing. Say I write for payments. I write this reason and I say click OK. The moment I click OK, the entire file or the noting is getting uploaded, downloaded here. So you can see this part uploads e-file. I click on this, you can see the entire notings part is downloaded along with the table of contents which I have put. See, this is my, it's very simple. Now I can go to download, I can take a printout, I can do whatever I wish. So that's so easy. I hope you are and you have got this point. So it is this, and also it is this. You can see in the right side also you have this option of generating view PDF. From this also you can take a printout. Now, one of the important point is that this feature of having this generate view PDF you will only get when the administrator gives you the permission for it. Not everybody who is using in eOffice will have this feature of taking the PDFs and downloading the data. Only when your administrator gives it to you, then only you will be able to have this icon highlighted or working in your eOffice login. So if it is not there, please contact your administrator that you want to take the printouts, and the administrator will give the rights, and then you will get this feature there. Okay, so I hope this was useful for all of you to so please take care, stay blessed, do subscribe to my channel. I see a lot of people seeing my videos. I see thousands of views of my videos and very little subscribers. So 90% of the people who watch my videos do not subscribe, I have seen. So if you are watching, I request please subscribe to my channel so that it gives me more encouragement to work upon and make more videos. So please subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay blessed. Bye bye.